Hey, another day and hopefully another dollar. All right, that's a famous phrase I think I've heard since the early 70s. That's what my dad used to say. Anyway, we made it past noon here in Utah. Okay, I'm on Mountain Standard Time. And if you follow my videos, you know that if I crack open a cooled one, that means it's afternoon. Because I like coffee and warm tea. I even love hot chocolate in the summer. And right now it's the end of October going into November. And guess what? It's 76 degrees outside. I mean, I still rocking the tan. I go outside. My arms are just feeling the heat. But I'm well aware that in a week or two, all those pretty bright orange and green leaves, they turn to brown. And all this white stuff comes down called snow. Okay? And I love it. I'm a big summer fan, but you know what? Winter here in Utah is darn pretty. So anyway, let me pour myself a drink and let's just talk a little bit about how to make money online and what choices that I like to suggest. The opportunities that I joined, well, I started with a company, LIVEGOOD, March of 2023, and I'm doing really well in it. I'm currently about number 27 out of 1.7 million people on the leaderboard. And I'm going on 400 signups. And it's all from just maybe doing a video like this or sending out an email, maybe making a business card. But at the end of the day, I'm just inviting people to a link. Okay. All I can do is show you what I do every day to get signups, people that pre-enroll, people buy traffic. They buy leads, they buy education, they do certain things. And with everything I do being an affiliate-based company, I get a commission. Okay, so I really appreciate it. If you join LiveGood, awesome. I'll get a quick $25 every Thursday. Okay, it's like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And I'll do everything I can to help you with LiveGood. Okay, great company, great products. If you want to look into it, I just tell everybody, look at this. I just made some business cards, joincory.com. All right. And in fact, all my business cards, they're the same design. I just switched the little white lettering there. Okay. So we live good, joincory.com. I bought it at GoDaddy for about $11 with a coupon code, probably $8. But all you got to do is just get a domain name that's brand new. And I'll tell you what, for that amount of money, it's awesome because you can now present yourself with a business card and go, hey, here's my opportunity. And in my case, it's LiveGood. I just forward it to the LiveGood capture page. Okay. And I let the capture page take over. So if you join for $49.95, I'm going to show you what you get. Okay. You ready? What I have to do is look over to the right and I'm going to go ahead and type in joincory.com. Then I'm going to bring in the web page, which is a capture page. Okay. Because I do my videos not necessarily for newbies, but a lot of people are just new. Okay. And that's okay. No experience. You almost have a better response, I think, because people that are kind of quirky and nervous on video, or if you get a hold of somebody, or if you do a social media post and you're kind of new, I think it's interesting. I like to watch people that are new and then just evolve into a badass, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year. Take your time, guys. Just be yourself. Now, for $49.95, this is the capture page when you go to joincory.com. Okay. I just tell GoDaddy, forward to this link. Do you see in the middle of your screen I just highlighted? Let's see, livegoodtour.com/Cory Draper. Now, Cory Draper is my username. So if your name is, let's say, Bob Thomas, all right, that's always an easy name. Your link would be livegoodtour.com/Bob Thomas. Or maybe your name is Mary Smith. Okay. But whatever your username is, it'll be at the end of this /. Okay. So what's a capture page? All right. You get this handsome guy here and people will watch this video smack dab in the middle. It's just a YouTube video produced by LiveGood. And it has our CEO, Ben Glinsky, just showing you what our company is about. Products, be an affiliate, wholesale, retail, prices, like $9.95 a month to be a member, $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate and earn money. Okay. Now, if you want more information or if you want to join, you put your name here and your email address, and then hit reserve my position. Okay. So if you want to join Live Good, just go to your email. You're going to get a nice message. Just, halfway down, click and go ahead, get out your debit card, credit card. You can pay with Bitcoin as well, and get yourself an account. $49.95. Okay. And you're going to get this exact capture page. And I highly recommend you go to GoDaddy, get some business cards too, like Vistaprint. $30, get a big old box that lasts a year. Okay. Pretty cool. Now, let me go ahead and just show you what my LiveGood website looks like, because yours is going to be identical. Okay. So let me just blow it up here. All right. This is what I want you to do, especially if you have not joined me yet with LiveGood. Okay. Go to the products tab. Okay. It's going to say right here at the top, are you ready to experience the difference? Okay. Now, obviously, all of our products for sale are right here. Now, if you've been in this business before, you're going to freak out when you see our prices because, see, we're a wholesale-based company. We're a membership-based company. We don't retail. That's what you do if you want. You can buy any of these products and publicly and proudly go ahead and go to Amazon, the back of your trunk if you own a gym. But all of our products, go ahead and check them out. And we're a wholesale company, so you freak out going, oh my God, our products are better. They're just better quality. Our portions are usually bigger, but we're 1/3 usually cheaper, and that's because the markup on all these products is high. But since we're a wholesale company that focuses on membership, I know that you're not going to beat our prices. And the ingredients, I mean, everything's organic. It's just freshly made. These are just awesome. And if you want to know about any of these products, just click the white rectangle that says Learn More. I'll just click right here, this one here. This is a top seller. This is usually in the top 3 every month. We do about $15 million of sales each month worldwide, 200 countries. All right. And factor 4. Okay. $18 if you want to be a member. If you just go to the website directly, $25. And that's a deal, guys, especially when you see the ingredients, the seals of approval, how to use the product. And here's our competition. Dr. Sinatra. All right. 56. All right. And this one here is the worst name. I mean, Zio Megan Cock Max, whatever. I mean, $58. I ain't going to buy that just on the name alone. When you make the name that confusing, you deserve to get no sales. Factor 4. Give me a break, man. That is a beautiful name. $18.50. And like I said, just check out the ingredients. Everything that you need to know is right on our webpage. Plus the people that design our products, Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. You can get a hold of them anytime. Ryan at livegood.com, RYAN, or his pretty wife, Lisa at livegood.com. Okay. Now, the second thing I want you to do besides look at the products is go to the FAQ. This is important because you're going to have a lot of questions. So go ahead and read all these and click any line. And the answer is just right after you click. Look at that. Just tons of questions about LiveGood. Okay. Now go to the bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen, and it's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Okay. It depends how big your screen is. If it's a smaller screen, the word affiliate will disappear. So click the pay plan, and it shows you that you don't have to buy any products to earn a commission with us. We're a membership-based company. Okay. We pass the savings on the products onto you so you can just take the products and save money, or if you want to retail them. All right. Most companies don't allow you to do this. All right. Our CEO, he don't give a rat's ass. He's like, hey, you want to resell these? Go ahead. He's proud of the products, and we have 90 days, no questions asked. Guys, that's insane. 3 full months. No receipt. Don't worry about it. Just buy any of our products and get your money back. Just send it back to Jupiter, Florida. Now, here's the 7 ways we get paid. Just go through the screen and read. But go to the bottom, and you're going to see this pretty girl here. This is a YouTube video made by LiveGood, and it completely explains the comp plan real nicely. Watch it 2 or 3 times. That way, if someone asks you about the comp plan, you can, tell them about it. But you know what? Do what I do. Just have them go to the website and go to affiliate pay plan link at the bottom and just let them watch. Okay? Don't bore people to death with facts and figures. People just want to, on their own accord, just go ahead and lay in bed in the dark or lay on the couch or maybe get on a computer and check out LiveGood. They don't want you there like breathing down their necks. It's like a used car salesperson. Doesn't it drive you crazy? You know they're desperate for a sale, but they follow you around and they're in the back seat and they're almost tackling you if it looks like you're going to walk out the door. Okay. You don't need to be clingy and you don't need to fake it to make it. If you're brand new, tell people. If you've never done this business, tell people. If you buy the products and you like them or dislike them, tell people. Okay. I'm a big fan. I became a member and an affiliate through products first. I highly suggest super reds and super greens. And now we've got like 35, 40 products. You got a whole bunch of other cool stuff that you can purchase. But I hope that you do check out the products. And I like you to look into it first. Even though we're a membership-based website, I want you to be proud of what Live Good is. I want you to like the hats and the shirts and everything we sell. Because when people go to livegood.com, and if they're a member, they just open those doors, walk in, and they shop like they're at Costco. Okay? That's all we are, man. A nice membership-based website. It's always going to be $9.95 a month. This is coming right from CEO Ben. And the more people that join, and the more products we sell, our products actually even go down cheaper than they already are at wholesale. Because volume. Okay? So if you have any questions about Live Good, I don't mind. You're not bugging me, guys. I'm having a blast doing this. Okay? I'm pretty darn good at this Live Good thing. So I hope you trust me. I have other tools and software that I use, and I send you a nice little email if you join my team, and I show you exactly what I do. I don't sell information. I just show people, and hopefully it helps them too. So let's just go to the basics. It's got to start by watching a little video. So just go to joincory.com, and that's it. This is the easiest thing I've ever done to earn a living, guys. I smile every time I do videos. I upload them, and people come and join. I just had 3 people sign up in the last day and a half. And I'll probably have one more before, I guess, midnight tonight. But it's really nice to know that people choose me and they join underneath my team, my group, my downline. Okay? So thank you. And I'll do everything I can to help you. Okay? There's a lot of support too. A lot of live support online. And there's customer support, of course, through the company. Okay? All right. Joincory.com and subscribe to my good old YouTube video channel. And if I'm on Facebook, which I am every day, just go to Mr. Cory Draper, Mr. Cory, M-R-C-O-R-Y. So M-R-C-O-R-Y Draper. It's funny when I hear Mr. Cory Draper. I feel like I'm getting in trouble at the attendance office or something. So, okay, guys, you have a good day. All right, let's get you into Live Good. All right, you take care. We'll see you next video.